Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Dope. I'm your host, Jean-Paul Gedeon, bringing you that daily dose of knowledge, experience share, and actionable items. So check it out. I get a lot of questions about, hey, Jean-Paul, how do you stay so motivated? How are you so motivated and amped up? You drink a lot of coffee? I do drink coffee. Not all the time because, makes your teeth all stained. But what I found is, how do I stay motivated? And some experience I can share with you guys right now. I found something that motivates me. So personally, I like to speak on business because business motivates me. I love to grow businesses. I love to grow my company and my team and everything that it provides. I stay up late at night because I want to work. I'm building something that is much bigger than myself. It's with my team. They're all working on it. I'm working on it. And it provides us financially the ability to provide for the family. My two brothers, my sister-in-law, myself, my wife, my kids. That's what motivates me. I get so amped up because I feel life is beautiful. I have a very positive outlook on life. A necessity in life is money. So I decided if I could put my motivation into something I'm interested in, which is business and making deals and structuring deals and marketing and advertising and graphic design and creation of printed goods and videos, then that's something I want to do. So I go to sleep. Sometimes I don't want to sleep. I just want to keep working on it. I love it. That's what motivates me, because I found something that motivates me. Now, I know that's not what everyone can do right now. If you have a job that you're in and the job doesn't necessarily motivate you, but you're working at it and you're making money at it, great. Well, if there's something else that motivates you, whether it's surfing or basketball or video games, or whatever you feel, maybe you like to sing opera. If that motivates you, then you're probably going to go and sing that opera. But if it's like gardening and you don't want to do it, you probably let the weeds grow, or you have a gardener that takes care of it for you. Personally, I don't like mowing the lawn and trimming the trees or cleaning the pool, so I have people that do that. That's kind of part of the deal here where I live. But I like growing a garden. I'm growing papaya trees. We got basil and oregano and rosemary and thyme and moringa. Whether it's a song, whether it's a new advertising space, like we locked in a deal with Aloha Gas Station. We're at all the Aloha gas stations and Shell gas stations statewide in Hawaii. That's over 100 gas stations, fuel stations. It's amazing. I've always wanted to work with that brand. I love being able to think of something, come up with a way to work with a partner and have it a win-win. And that's what we've done. So how do I stay motivated? A good question for me is, how do you not stay motivated? What brings me down? There's a few things that bring me down I don't want to talk about because I don't want to bring myself down. One that really is going to hit close to home, and it's not going to be my normal positive message, is fear. And fear of failure. Fear of failure is a huge motivator for me. I don't want to let people down. If I say I'm going to do something, I want to do it and I want to crush it and just kill it. I want to do it, but I don't always get to enjoy that luxury of winning all the time. I've had deals where I was too slow to move and I just missed the boat completely. So, I feel that regret in there. I should have moved forward. I was scared. I didn't move forward, and it manifested itself. Everything I was afraid of happening, it happened because I didn't take action. I didn't do it. Nike said, just do it. Just do it. Easier said than done. Honestly, it is easier said than done. But a huge part that motivates me is the positivity, love, kindness, business, creation motivates the heck out of me. On the other hand, fear of failure, fear of loss, manifesting negative things, all of that also motivates me because I don't want that to happen. So I just got to muscle through it sometimes. And you can do the same. So there we go. Today's word was motivation. And there's a lot of motivators out there. Positive motivation, negative motivation, all sorts of additive, drug, and caffeine-induced motivation, lust motivation. There's a lot of things motivating. What do you want? What do you get? At the end of the day, I say, what do I get out of it? Because I could be selfish too. And you think of it. What do I get out of it? What's in it for me? Personally, a lot of things I do, what's in it for me? It fills my cup. Fills my cup with gratitude, or I see my ideas come to life. What motivates me with my kids, I love to see them learn. I love to see Sophie learn. She's 2.5 right now. My other daughter, Sasha, she's 11 months old. She's just learning how to walk, like stand and crawl. Like I love that. So I spend the quality time with her. That motivates me to be off my phone, motivates me to be present in the moment with Sophie B. What motivates me is being in the garden with her. She loves it. What motivates me is my wife calling me right now. Hey, Hall. Hello. You're on the Daily Dope right now. Fear of punishment.
Good. I'm treating you well.
All right, my love. Bye. Fear of punishment. Oh my gosh. Anyone with a husband, wife, you may know what I just experienced right there. I'm recording an episode. Holly Gedeon, love of my life, my wife. You know how to motivate me. All right, check it out. So that's the end of the episode here, guys. I think it ends on a funny note. Please, 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 please go to jeanpaul.com. That's right, JEAN-PAUL.com. That'll take you to the YouTube playlist. I'm really trying to build the audience there. All right, guys, make it a good one. Aloha.